WeFixTech here again with another phone repair. Today we're going to be doing a Samsung S9 battery replacement. Now this repair is a little bit more difficult than your usual iPhone battery replacement, but take note of the video and just take your time and you'll be right. Let's do this! Hi guys, today we are working on a Samsung S9 battery repair. Let's start off by heating the back glass up. Do not exceed 85 degrees. This will take some time, but it is very important that you take your time. Use your suction cup and gently lift up the back glass a little bit so you can place your thin blade under it or spudge it.
Do you want to know what
you may need to do this a couple of times.
The matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it.
In between heating up the back glass, use a bit of ISO to loosen up the adhesive.
You pay your taxes.
Slowly work the blade around the back glass. Be very careful with that corner because you can crack the glass.
It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth?
It does take some time to get around the adhesive of the back glass. Just persevere, and like I said before, just take your time.
Do you want to know what it is? The matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes. that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth?
Once you've created a little bit of space in between the back glass and the frame, I like to get my finger in there and just slightly pry the top of the back glass ever so slightly while heating. If you've got this far without breaking the back glass, you have done very well. Pat yourself on the back. Once the back glass is off, proceed to undo all the screws holding the back plates on.
You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
Remove the back plates and put them aside. Now it's time to disconnect the battery and all other connectors holding the logic board in. Be very careful.
It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth?
Don't forget to remove the SIM tray before removing the logic board. And place the board to the side. Now it's time to remove the battery. You'll need to heat up the front. Don't exceed 85 degrees. Get yourself a tool, a blade, and slightly just pry up the battery. Please take note. Be careful with the bladers, and as you can see, the LCD is just underneath the battery there. Place your adhesive strips where the battery will sit.
Do you want to know what it is? The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now,
Now it's time to install your battery.
You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television.
Don't forget to put your IMEI sticker back onto the new battery.
When you go to church,
Connect the
when you pay your taxes.
charging port connector onto the logic board and gently put it down while moving all other connectors out of the way.
It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth?
Don't forget the screw and the screw that holds the logic board in place. Reinstall the back plates and screw them in. Insert your SIM tray. Now it's time to put the back door glass on. As you can see, the adhesive strips are still untacked, so we're going to reactivate the adhesive strips. Connect the fingerprint connector back onto the board, and then place the back glass onto the frame. And there you have it. Test the phone.
It is all around us, even now in this very room.
And you're done.
You can see it when you look out your
Don't forget to put the rubber bands around. Thank you for watching.